EQM Industrial are New Zealand's leading food industry equipment and technology supplier, specialising in optimal performance of food processing equipment. Core to this is EQM Move, offering an extensive range of conveyor system solutions. EQM Move includes band-driven roller conveyor systems for carton handling. These reduce labour, prevent manual lifting and shifting, and create an automated link between production lines. Lightweight M&N track belt conveyor systems are ideal for food products such as sachets, punnets, loose and packed fruit and vegetables. The lightweight modular design lends itself to many applications, including hygiene situations. EQM Move also has C-channel heavy-duty belt conveyor systems. These belt conveyors have a robust design that can span up to 6 metres without support and are particularly suitable for bulk materials. T-track conveyors for bottles, pottles and pouches are a chain conveyor system, providing a seamless link along production lines. Conveyor components such as drive drums, rollers and chains are available for repairs and maintenance. The EQM Move's point of differences are highlighted by the use of 2D and 3D layout designs, which are provided before construction to show exact placement of staff and equipment within new installations. For more information about EQM Move products, contact EQM today.